Hello. On this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to open a command prompt, how to resize your command prompt to make it bigger by pressing Control plus, and then you can just get this resize it. And it is very easy to find out the OS version since it's coming with a build of 10.0.22, but you can type in system info and then pipe find a string /I for ignore case. So you can type OS name here with any a combination of lowercase or uppercase, doesn't matter, because you're saying /I ignore case. And it's gonna tell you that you have Microsoft Windows 11 Pro in this case. In my example, the host name is algorithm. As you can see, if I type in hostname, algorithm, and then the Microsoft version, Windows 11 is the version. If you want to know what OS version you're running, you run this command system information, pipe find the string. You can also do with the find command without find the string. Would do that similarly, but it will just give you one line information. It will not give you the build version in detail. So if you want the build version, you can get that information here. So at this time, we know that we're having Windows 11, and then this is the build version. I'm going to check for update as well before we end this video. So you can type in here for update or check for update, and you can see that the run, you type in the word UP for update, it will just automatically say check for update. And then here it says you're up to date. I can just check on this one to make sure that it is the case. If there's any recent patches that needs to be installed, I could apply those ones and then I'll be up to date. But I must have done it a few weeks ago or a week ago. So it is checking again to see when was if there was anything. You can see that last checked is today 11:50, and my system is up to date, and you have a check mark here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. It's much easy to make sure your system is up to date with Windows by just typing update or check for update, and it will come there, and then you just do that. And that was it for this video. Very short video.